Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the clip's HDR format, PQ or HLG, and noting its color space and gamma so Resolve can interpret it correctly. Open Project Settings, go to Color Management, and switch to HDR-compatible settings. Set Timeline Color Space to match the source. Once done, enable HDR metadata and choose the appropriate mastering display or PQ/HLG option so subsequent grading and scopes read the signal accurately. This ensures you are importing true HDR data rather than treated SDR. Now import files on the media page and immediately inspect the clip metadata and HDR tags to confirm Resolve recognized PQ or HLG. Create a timeline that matches resolution, frame rate, and the color space you set previously so there's no automatic conversion. Move to the color page, enable the HDR viewer if available, and pull up HDR scopes like Waveform and Parade to watch the full-range luminance. Make small exposure or color matrix adjustments early to prevent clipping and keep headroom for grading. Finish by grading with HDR-specific controls, HDR wheels, log tools, and careful lift/gamma/gain adjustments, and apply LUTs only if they match the color space. When exporting, go to Deliver, choose a codec that supports HDR metadata, set the timeline color space, and include mastering display or PQ/HLG tags. If your exported file looks incorrect on playback, recheck project color management, clip metadata, and timeline color space. Mismatches there are the most common issues and usually fixable by reassigning the correct input color space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.